Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy THEO with All Nations Racing, and welcome to my front driveway right here. Doing some work on the semi-stock car. I pulled the transmission today, and because I have to do the torque converter. You look right here. That's all chewed out. That's all chewed out. And that one's broken. So that's been pulled. I got to pull that little flywheel. Come on, focus. That flywheel off the transmission. But I got to pay. I've had this actually since October. Actually since November of last year. And this package I have for that Turbo 400 right there. This Turbo 400 transmission, and I got a package for it. So let me get a nice handy dandy box opener and break this nice seal that we got going on here. All right, open her up, see what we got. Oh, there she is, folks. A brand new torque converter. And I bet you it's full of fluid. No, it is not. It's just heavy. Alright guys, so that's a brand new torque converter for the semi-stock car. I gotta replace the flywheel, replace this torque converter. I've already done the ball joint up front, or the tie rod right there. You can see there's a new cotter pin. This has been replaced already, so that's good to go. And then once the transmission's back in tomorrow, this car is 100% done, ready to go. Gonna get a test drive this weekend, or if it's not raining tomorrow, this bad boy's gonna get finished up. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This is gonna get work done tomorrow too. I'm gonna do tires tomorrow. Those skid steers right there are gonna be on the back of this one, and those 550 over there, and the ones over there by the door, those ones are gonna be on the front of this one. So we're gonna put these steel tires are tubed. That one and this one are gonna be my two fronts for this car, and then those other ones over there are gonna be the fronts for that. I may do that today before I head to work, but we'll see. But one thing I did wanted to show you guys as well, there's a thing called vinyl status. I got it on online, and I had this made. All Nations Racing Team on YouTube. So this is gonna go on the car, probably right here maybe. I might get another one, and we'll see. But yeah, there we guys have it. 2 cars, 1 Derby guy. 1 guy, 2 cars, 2 projects. Derby's in just over a month away, about 40 days away. 44 days actually to be exact. So we're crunch time. Once it is out of here, it's actually going to go up to my property where my other cars sit up there. I'm going to cover it obviously with the tarps and a car cover and get it sitting there, and it can stay there until Derby day, or Derby week. I'll bring it back down here a week prior, or a couple days prior, get it all buttoned up, hood bolted on, everything tightened down, make sure everything is done. Gonna go on the trailer along with that one, and we're gonna run both of these cars at the Outagamie County Fairgrounds in Seymour, Wisconsin, my hometown fair, this June 29th, 2024. So if you guys are in the Green Bay, Wisconsin area, or in northern Wisconsin, or anywhere in Wisconsin, get up here and check out the Outagamie County Fairgrounds. And Hollywood Promotions, Hollywood Motorsports is putting on the Derby. Rick Harrington and his crew always does a fine job. This car ran their charity show last year in Pickett, Wisconsin. I have videos of the onboard of this car, along with aftermath videos on that one. We've done some work. This car was going to run in Marshfield last year until the torque converter broke. So I did do some 9 wiring to the trunk. Nice and solid. This is nice and tight, packed in. I just wish I did this a little bit better, but it is what it is. Trunk rolled in beautifully. So this is what we got, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, Outagamie County Fairgrounds in Seymour, Wisconsin. It is 4.5 miles in that direction over there. Friday nights for the speedway. For the dirt track, they have late models, usually sprint cars, every so often. But thanks for watching, guys. As always, have fun, stay safe, keep on derbying, and remember, support your local county fairs. Thank you, guys. See you next time.